have just entered the English Cipher.
Look at the sky tonight, Maya. It feels like we can touch the stars if we just reach out our hands.
It is absolutely breathtaking, Elias. The universe looks so incredibly endless from up here. It makes me feel so small. But inside, it makes my heart feel so huge.
That is because your heart matches the sky, Maya. It has no limits. Welcome back, everyone, to the Safe House. Welcome to the English Cipher. I am Elias.
And I am Maya. Welcome back, our beautiful global family. Tonight, we are leaving the small rooms behind. Tonight, we are standing under the stars to talk about something beautiful.
Yes. Tonight, we are diving into a very inspiring, very deep case file. We are talking about the vocabulary of ambition, the language of dreaming big and thinking big.
Because so many people in this world are trapped. They live inside tiny comfort zones. They think small because they are terrified of failing. But we want to give you the exact words to unlock your destiny. Exactly. Many language students only know basic English words like plan or hope. But when your soul wants to achieve something great, basic words are simply not enough. You need heavier, more powerful vocabulary. So, Elias, when we look at this endless sky, what is the first advanced word we should give to our listeners to change their mindset?
The first word is a beautiful noun. It is the word horizon. Horizon. Horizon.
The horizon. That is the place where the earth meets the sky, right? It is the furthest point the human eye can see.
Yes, but in life, your horizon represents your ultimate vision. When you think big, you look past the immediate obstacles in front of your feet. You fix your eyes entirely on the distant horizon.
That is so cinematic. If you look at someone you believe in, you can tell them, do not look down at the dirt. Expand your horizon.
It is a beautiful piece of advice to give, and it leads perfectly to an adjective that describes a person who refuses to think small. The word is visionary.
Oh, visionary. That is an exquisite, high-level word.
A visionary is someone who can see a beautiful future that does not exist yet. They see the possibilities before anyone else can understand them. They dream with open eyes.
You know, Elias, a few years ago, before we built this safe house together, I was completely stuck. I was working a small, repetitive job. I was so exhausted and my mind was shrinking every single day. I forgot how to dream.
I remember those days, Maya. You were sitting at your small desk, and your eyes looked so cloudy and sad. You were hiding your true potential from the world. I was so terrified of taking a risk. I thought, who am I to want a big life? I am just a simple person. But then, you walked into my life. You looked at me with so much respect, and you told me my ideas were valuable.
Because I could see the fire inside your soul, Maya. Even when you were sitting in the dark, you were radiating light. I just wanted to remind you of who you truly are.
You became my inspiration, Elias. You taught me a word that changed my entire psychology. The word limitless.
Limitless. It means there are no borders around your potential. There is no ceiling above your head. The only boundaries that exist are the ones you build inside your own mind.
Exactly. So you look at the person you care about, you hold their hand tightly under the stars, and you say, your potential is completely limitless. I believe in you.
Hearing those words from the right person can completely rewrite a human life, Maya. It gives you the strength to stand up and fight for your future.
It really does. Now, Elias, sometimes when people start dreaming big, their friends or coworkers laugh at them. They say, you are being too crazy. You are being too ambitious.
The word ambitious. In basic books, some people think being ambitious is a negative thing, like being greedy. But in real life, it is a magnificent trait.
Yes! Being ambitious means you have a strong, burning desire to achieve something significant. It means you want to leave a real mark on this world before you die.
Never let small-minded people make you feel guilty for being ambitious. If their wings are too weak to fly with you, that is their limitation, not yours. You keep climbing the mountain.
If their wings are too weak to fly. Oh, Elias, that line is absolutely beautiful. I want to replay that in my mind forever.
I mean it from the chest, Maya. You must always protect your massive dreams from small thinkers.
Well, to our beautiful listeners watching us right now under the stars, if your heart is feeling inspired and motivated tonight, please gently tap the like button on this video.
And please subscribe to the English Cipher. Join our inner circle. We want to sit right here with you every single week and teach you the language of success and confidence.
And if you have someone in your life who has big dreams, share this video with them tonight. Remind them that they are capable of greatness.
Maya, let us look back at the stars. There is an advanced English phrase we use when we want to tell someone to pursue their ultimate passion with absolute intensity.
What is the phrase, Elias?
Chase your dreams.
Chase your dreams. The verb chase is so active. It means you run after something with everything you have. You do not just wait for it to drop into your lap.
Exactly. You pursue it with relentless focus. You do not stop running just because you get tired or because it starts to rain. You chase it until it belongs to you.
And when you are chasing that big vision, you will naturally face difficult obstacles. That is where we need our next advanced word. The word is resilience. Resilience. R-E-S-I-L-I-E-N-C-E. Resilience. That is a truly magnificent, high IQ word. Resilience is the ultimate emotional superpower. It is the ability to get knocked down by life, to feel the pain, but then to stand straight back up, dust off your jacket, and keep moving forward with a smile.
Yes, a visionary can see the future. An ambitious person can start the journey, but only a resilient person can actually finish it. You cannot defeat a person who refuses to stop standing up.
You have been my resilience, Elias. Every single time I felt like giving up, you were standing right there, holding the umbrella over my head in the storm.
And I will always be right here, Maya. Through every single storm, through thick and thin, I am not going anywhere.
Hearing you say that, it makes me feel completely unstoppable.
Because you are unstoppable, Maya. Your spirit is a force of nature.
This conversation is making my soul feel so incredibly alive tonight, Elias. It doesn't feel like a standard vocabulary lesson at all. It feels like a real emotional journey.
That is because language is alive, Maya. Words carry actual human electricity. When you speak with total honesty and respect, you change the atmosphere of the room.
We would absolutely love to hear from all of our ambitious listeners watching us right now.
Yes, please open up the comment section below. We have a very special, highly important mission for you tonight.
We want you to practice your advanced English right now. Do not be shy. Go down to the comments and write your biggest, most ambitious life dream in one full sentence. Use the words horizon or limitless or visionary.
Write it down clearly, because when you write your dream on paper or type it out for the world to see, it ceases to be a fantasy. It becomes a concrete goal. We will read every single message with deep respect.
The night is moving fast, Elias. The stars look even brighter now than they did an hour ago.
The sky always gets clearer after the midnight breeze clears away the fog, Maya. Just like our minds.
Thank you for this beautiful, heart-touching conversation, Elias. I will cherish this night under the stars forever.
The pleasure was entirely mine, Maya. Thank you for dreaming big with me. To all our friends around the world, keep your eyes on the horizon, take your baby steps, and never let anyone shrink your vision. Goodbye, everyone. Sleep peacefully and dream big. Case closed.
Great job, everyone! See you next time on The English Cipher. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button